Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Down to Earth Gardening and Design. Welcome to today's video. How can we not talk about azaleas? So it's spring and azaleas are really popping right now. There's so many beautiful different colors and heights and sizes, so I definitely want to give credit where credit is due and talk about these beauties right now. So first I want to show you a few different azaleas, and then we're going to chat about their requirements and their features and whatnot. I have to say, my daughter Hannah every spring says, "Mom, why don't we have more azaleas?" And she's right. So Hannah, now you have me on record. So enjoy the azalea video and thanks for joining. Okay, so we're wrapping it up, but before we do, I want to mention that springtime, we're all so excited about some bright colors that we tend to plant a lot of the brightly colored azaleas, and let's face it, they are beauties. But let's not forget about some of the paler colors and the whites, because azaleas will take some shade and they're really stunning and they really show off. Even at sunset, they would be great in a moon garden or a woodland garden, but they really pop, these paler pastel colors and the whites, so don't forget about those. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love doing these videos for you, and I appreciate all of you at home. Thanks again, and if you liked it, please go ahead and tap like and hit subscribe to our channel because we love gardening and we have lots more videos coming your way.